Alright, so there's Sportsman pulling the mower. This grass is tall. We know the blades on the mower are dull and they need to be sharpened. This is practically the first time he's used it, other than just making sure the motor ran. So I'm going to ride up around a little bit behind him so you can see him cutting. So the noise you're going to hear is going to be my four-wheeler probably, not as much his until we get closer. But not doing too bad. I know it'd do a whole lot better if the grass was not wet and not up to our waist, and the blades were sharp. Practically the first time he's ridden the Sportsman. Also, he's ridden it some around his yard, a little bit at his house to make sure it ran and stuff. He had to get the thermostat changed on it because the thermostat wasn't opening. Luckily I had a spare one he was able to put in and seem to fix his problem. But as you can see, this grass is pretty tall. And he's getting his stuff cut. It's up over the wheels on my truck. Anyway, I think we're mainly going to try to get this front yard cut, maybe a little bit on the track over there, get that cut a little bit. And the mower is a Swisher 44-inch cut with a 10.5 horsepower mower on it. It's a finish cut mower. It's got two blades underneath it.